Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to have you here again in my importation class. My name is Rafiu Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and I believe so much you are learning one or two things in this class of my importation class. Now, what I'm going to explain today is how you can effectively translate your 68 herbs into English so that you'll be able to understand the language in the herb. So now you notice if you click on, let's click on the 1688 herb. So this is how the herbs is going to, okay, for instance, if I select the product like this, so you see everything here is written in Chinese. So which is very much difficult for somebody like me that doesn't understand Chinese to try and get the information here. But in another way around, there is a way by which you can translate all this Chinese language into English language that you understand or any other language that you understand. So all you have to do is to follow the process I'm going to take in this video and see how you can translate all this language to your English language or to any other local language you understand, so that you'll be able to purchase an item from this particular seller, right? So now let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is to go to our Google Store. So we'll get to Google Play Store. We're going to download an application called, we're going to make use of our search bar. We're going to download High Dictionary Translator. You can see it on the screen, Dictionary Translator. I'm going to select it straight away. Now it's going to pump up like this. Then you click on install. All right, so you can see now that the app has been successfully installed. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on open. So for the point here, this app is going to ask you for a permission. So please give us one permission before you start. Just click on open, just to allow permission. Now you get to this point whereby you need to allow display over other apps. So just turn on this thing. So you have given a permission. Then you click on this arrow here to go back to the app. All right. So here we have, so this is the app. But one thing you need to consider here is that before you start using the app, there is a place you will need to download an offline mode of the kind of language you use often. So all you have to do, you can click on the top here. So when you click on the top here, you look for, that is setting, then you look for offline mode. So when you get to offline mode, this is where you download the language you always use often. So now I need Chinese language. I click on download button. So this is going to pump up, then you click on download. So select download network. I'm using my cellular data, then click on download. Okay. So let me pause the recording while the application is downloaded. All right, so we have successfully downloaded the language we need. So you have to click on this arrow to go back and go back home. Now, when you get to home, so you need to come to this screen here to turn on the power button here. So when you turn it on, you need to make sure that an icon display, High Dictionary icon display, before you go to your before you go to the application that you want to translate the language. So let's see the icons. So it still connects. Okay, so you can see now that the app is ready for use. So if I click on this part here, so you can see the global translation, language, dictionary, this and that. So the app is fully ready now to be used. So now let's go back to our 1688 app. Now, where is it? 1688 app. Right, so if I'm trying to, so let's see, let's make it load. Okay, let me go back home. The data is off. I don't know what happened to my data, so let me on it back. All right, so you can see, okay, my data is my internet is working fine now. So now, if you, this is how it's going to look like. So we find it difficult to translate anything here. So now let's say, for instance, I need to purchase from this seller here. I'm going to click on the product picture. So you click on the product picture, it's going to appear something like this, and you can't translate it unless you have that application. All you have to do is to click on this icon here. So this is going to pump up. Now, there are many ways by which you can translate. The first way is global translation. The other way is to drag on and drop on the store. So now I'm going to select global translation, because when you select global translation, is going to translate all the text, all the Chinese text information on this page into English language, right? So I'm going to select global translation now. Now, when I select global translation, it's going to ask me for a permission, because the first time, if you are using the app for the first time, so just click on set permission. So when you click on set permission, it's going to take you to this page, and you can see the tutorial here that you have to look for iDictionary, then make sure you turn it on, then click on OK. Good. So now you can click on here to go back, click on here to go back, on here, okay. So don't mind my recording. Okay, now so you can now make use of the app, since we have configured it with 18. I mean, since we have configured it with our 1688 app, so we have to click on here and again and choose global translate. So you can take it here, and you see everything will be global translation. So within some minutes, it's going to translate everything on this page into English. So you can see now that you'll be able to read information here. So summer children, short sleeve, short this and that, then you'll be able to read every other information. So another way by which you can use this iDictionary translate to on this app is that you can just drag and place it to where you need to translate. Like this, let's say I need to translate this place, so can track the logistics. That's what this simply means. Another one here, you can take it here and see the meaning of that sentence. So nearly 30 days purchase. So we can drag here also and see what that means. So you just have to give them so that everything will translate to. Okay, so we can drag here and see what information we have here. Now you could be able to read, just like so let me scroll up. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so ABC Blue, this and that, so blah 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 blah. You'll be able to read all the text in English. So and you can also drag here and see what does this mean, order now. So that is, if you want to purchase this item, just click on order now. That's the meaning. Then you can drag here also and see what is the meaning, add a purchase order. So you can drag here and see the meaning of this. Okay, so you can drag here and see the meaning of this. So this is how you effectively use 1688 herbs to make a purchase in a very simple and easy way. And I believe you learn one or two things in this practical class of our how you can translate your 1688 herb from Chinese language to English language. All you have to do is to follow the step and see how you get it done in easy way. And if you still have questions as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can as well contact me via the phone number I'm putting on the screen of this video, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.